First of all, let's go to the official website of OrangePi to download the firmware. Click Service and Download. Download. Find the corresponding development board. I am using OrangePi 3 LTS here. Product system here. You can choose either Ubuntu or Debian image here. Here I choose Ubuntu. The main difference between these files is the version of Ubuntu. We chose the latest version 5.16.17. Do not select the desktop version, choose the server version. I've already downloaded it here. Unzip the downloaded file. Find a TF card with more than 8 GB. The best speed is C10 or above. Plug it into your computer. Open the USB flash drive image writing software. Select the extracted image file. Select the USB memory stick. Click Flash. Wait for a while. If it shows success, it's done. Unplug the USB stick. Insert the flash drive into the OrangePi. Plug in the network cable. Power on. Wait for a while. Go to the router background to check the IP address of OrangePi. Open MOBA SSH software. Click Session in the upper left corner. Then click SSH. Enter the IP address of OrangePi. Click OK. Enter the username OrangePi and go back to the car. Enter the password OrangePi. And you're in the system. I am using OrangePi 3 LTS. You need to write the system from TF card to eMMC. If you are using 02 etc. without eMMC, you don't need to do the following step. Enter this command, sudo nan sata install. Enter the password. Select 2 with the arrow keys, boot from eMMC. This script will erase the data on the eMMC. Select Yes with the arrow keys and enter. Choose extension 4 for the file system. Wait for a while. When the installation is finished, select Power Off and turn off the computer. Pull out the TF card. Power on again. The system in the eMMC will start. Relog into SSH. Enter this command to check the sources, sudo cat /etc/app/sources.list. You can see the latest system of OrangePi. Use the domestic Tsinghua source. You don't need to change it here. If you are using foreign sources, we suggest to change to domestic Tsinghua source or Ali source. Type sudo apt update to update the source list. Type sudo apt upgrade to update the software. It takes a bit long, wait for the update to finish. The update is complete. Now let's connect to Wi-Fi. Type ntui and enter. Enter the Wi-Fi management tool. Use the arrow keys to select the second activate a connection enter. Select the Wi-Fi we want to connect to. 5G Wi-Fi is recommended. Enter the password. OK. There is an asterisk symbol on this side to indicate that it is connected. Select back to return. Select quit to exit. Type IP address show LAN 0 and enter. Check the IP address of the Wi-Fi. Here is 192.168.1.215. Unplug the network cable at this time. Log in again with the Wi-Fi IP address. Let's use the Kyo script to install Klipper. To use this script, you need to install the Git tool first. Klipper is based on Python. Make sure Python and pip are installed on your system. We type git and enter. And we see that it is already installed. Enter Python 3. We find that the system is also installed. Exit. Type pip 3. The system is not installed. Let's install it. Sudo apt install python 3 pip. Confirm it again. That's it. Let's change the pip repositories. Copy this command. Now you can use the script to install Klipper. Copy this command. Enter. Locate the current directory in the user's home directory, and clone the script locally. Copy this command. Enter. Run the script. Type 1 enter to install the software. Type 1 enter to install Klipper. Enter 1 enter to select Python 3. Enter the number of Klipper instances. Usually it is 1. If you want to connect multiple printers to a single host computer, just select the corresponding number. In my case, type 1 and enter. Wait for the installation to complete. Input 2, enter. Install Moonraker. This is Klipper's API software. Wait for the installation to complete. 3 and 4 are Klipper's web interface. Just choose one to install. I'm installing 4 Fluid. This is where you are prompted to install the recommended macros. We select Yes. If you have a touch screen installed, install the Klipper screen. If you have a 12864 screen, you don't need to install it. I'm going to select Install, type 5 and enter. Wait for the installation to complete. If you need to install a camera, type 11, enter to install Krausnest. I used to use OrangePi. Now I've switched to this one. I won't install it here. Type B, enter to exit. Type Q. The installation of Klipper is now complete. OrangePi installs Klipper in the browser. Input the IP address of OrangePi and enter. You will enter the web interface of Klipper.